What we have here is the wraparound cover for HP Tango. We'll show you how to use this cover. But first, let us remove the output tray from the HP Tango. To use the cover, you need to place HP Tango in this rectangular box over here. Let's do that. So this is how it looks like when the wraparound cover is being used. And when you need to use a printer, you simply open up the cover and open the input tray as well. And when not in use, you can close the input tray and cover up the printer. So this is how you use the wraparound cover for your HP Tango.